Hi everyone, I'm Albert Varki. In this video I'm gonna share with you a really powerful trick that will save you tons of time when working with tables. Let's dive in. Have you ever encountered tables where the cells are either too small or too large for the values they contain? These tables don't look good and are pain to work with. Instead of fixing the table column by column or row by row, there's a quick and efficient way to adjust everything at once. First, click on the corner button at the top left of the sheet to select the whole sheet. Then move your mouse to the line between any two columns. For example, between columns B and C, and double-click. This will automatically resize all the columns to fit their contents. Now do the same for rows. Move to the line between two rows, for example between rows 2 and 3, and double-click. The rows will instantly resize to fit the data. This way your entire table is formatted properly. All the values are visible and the cells are not too big or too small, but exactly the optimal size. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials.